Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Mullish, consultant gastroenterologist at St Mary's Hospital and a clinical scientist at Imperial College in London. My research focuses on how treatments targeting gut bacteria like intestinal microbiota transplants, IMT, can help with digestive, infectious and other diseases. I'm also part of the team running the MAST trial, and I'd like to explain how IMT is being used in this important study. When people hear the term gut bacteria, they often think of germs like salmonella that make you unwell. But our gut is actually home to trillions of microbes, which we call the gut microbiome, many of which are really important to help us in staying healthy. For instance, they help us digest our food, absorb nutrients and support our immune system. Research has shown that the greater the mix of different gut bacteria you have, the better. When everything is balanced, this gut microbiome can support your health in many ways. Unfortunately, many people with blood cancer often have disruption of the beneficial bacteria in their gut. This can relate to a number of factors, including the cancer itself, the chemotherapy used to treat it, and the need for antibiotics if infections occur. Studies have even shown that the pattern of bacteria found in the gut in people with blood cancer seems to predict how successful their stem cell transplant will be. So, restoring beneficial gut bacteria seems to be really important to people with blood cancer, especially those having stem cell transplants. But how might we do this? IMT is a therapy we've been using for several years, and now through the MAST trial, we're studying its potential on a larger scale. IMT, or intestinal microbiota transplant, sometimes called FMT or fecal microbiota transplant, is a treatment where we restore your healthy gut bacteria using donations from healthy screen donors. Say that you need a blood transfusion. Since we don't have such a thing at the moment as artificial blood, we need to transfer blood from a healthy screen donor into an unwell person. The same is similar here. If you need your healthy gut bacteria restored, the best way to get these into your gut is to take them from healthy people. And so, just like you would have heard of people donating blood, we have a group of people donating their poo. They're healthy people and undergo a lot of regular health screening with questionnaires, blood tests and poo tests to make sure they're staying as healthy as possible. Once a donor has passed all these stringent tests, we then take their poo, process it in the lab to get rid of all the nasty bits, but crucially, keep all the beneficial bacteria, and put this in a capsule to create an IMT. One way to think of IMT is like a supercharged probiotic. You might have heard of probiotics, those good bacteria that you can get from foods like yogurt or from supplements. They're usually made up of only one or two types of bacteria. IMT works on the same principle, but delivers a much wider variety of beneficial bacteria, as well as the helpful chemicals and other substances that the bacteria produce. This helps restore balance to your gut, like planting healthy seeds in the garden to help it thrive again. For patients recovering from chemotherapy or from stem cell transplants, IMT can be especially powerful, supporting recovery and overall health. While it might seem a bit unusual at first, it's important to remember a few key things about IMT. It is performed under carefully controlled conditions by trained professionals. Only healthy, rigorously screened donors are selective, and every step is taken to ensure safety. IMT is highly researched and is safe and scientifically supported treatment. IMT has been administered to thousands of people who are experiencing its positive results, and the team running this trial already have seen positive signals in the patients that they have treated before. In the MAST trial, IMT is delivered in capsule form, just like taking a regular pill. This makes the treatment simple, quick and easy to take, much like other common medications. The pills are easy to swallow and don't have any smell or taste. Here you can see some pictures of an actual IMT capsule. These are the same capsules that we're using in the MAST trial. Research continues to reveal the many ways a healthy gut can support recovery and overall well-being. IMT is just one of the tools that can make a difference in this journey. For patients recovering from chemotherapy or from stem cell transplants, we think that IMT can offer special benefits. Even though IMT may sound a bit different, doctors and scientists now see this as actually a very natural, effective way they hope will support your gut health and recovery.